What's up everybody? I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to fix the LSPV, or not fix it, but bypass it on an older Toyota pickup or 4Runner, possibly a Land Cruiser or other old Toyotas as well. But basically, when you lift these things up, you're kind of presented with the problem of having to either delete the LSPV entirely or lift up this assembly somehow so that you can get more braking pressure to the rear. So basically, if I'm not mistaken, what this does is there's a rod normally that goes down to the axle, and as more load is applied to the truck and the suspension kind of sinks, it adjusts the valve to give it more braking pressure. So what I did was, normally there's a bracket that goes through this rubber bushing slash donut here, and it bolts onto the rear axle right here. And yes, I know my emergency brake is all sorts of fucked up, but I'm working on getting brackets for that from 4Runner. But there's a bracket that comes up from the axle, holds the LSPV rod, and then that rod goes up to the LSPV. The problem is when the truck gets raised, you have to raise that, accordingly with it. And it's going to eventually be at a point 4, 5, 6 inches where you don't necessarily need or want such a tall bracket. So what I did was I took the factory bracket off of here, notched out the bolt hole of it, and I bolted it to the LSPV, drilled a 1/4 inch hole in it, got a 1/4 inch eyelet bolt from McMaster Car, slid the rod. I just cut it with a grinder. You can ignore this bolt. It's not actually part of the assembly, so it'd be like that. Slid the rod through the 1/4 inch eyelet bolt, put a lock nut on the bottom, and a nylon lock nut on top. And now, if I wanted to, I could adjust this however I want it to be. So I could raise or lower the LSPV to increase or decrease braking pressure to the rear wheels. Very quick and easy way to do it. The whole project cost about $4, just in the materials, which are just the 2 washers, the 2 nuts, and the eye bolt. And there it is, a quick and easy, clean solution.